Hi guys, this is Market Review from Maria, and you're welcome to stay here with me and to check out what I think about the stock market, about the currency market, and what I think about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So right now you see in front of you Bitcoin, and the second instrument that I will talk about is Ethereum. In my other videos, you are welcome to watch opinion about Eurodollar, gold, and Brent, and others. So let's talk about Bitcoin. This is the monthly chart. Monthly chart means that we can see total tendency. Is the price going down or up, or it's in a range? Yes, of course, we all know history of this instrument. And what I want to show you is this support, which is around $10,000. I bet you saw all those forecasts about the $10,000 support, and like if price goes under this level, it will fall to 10,000. I can prove you why this technical level is important. So you can see that here is the 200 moving average. The red line, this is the 200 moving average. If you go here, you'll see that this is the 200 moving average exponential, and it's with a close price. So are you sure that price will go there? I can say that yes, I'm sure, only when they break the support level, which was the minimum price in June. So our important level of support is the minimum price of June, and when price breaks this level of support, it will go to first target with the Fibonacci levels, and it's combined with the 200 moving average. So about the Fibonacci levels, we take the maximum price, we take the minimum price, and we can say that price will go that far, like to $10,000, if they break the support line. Okay. On weekly chart, there is no buy signal. On monthly chart, there is no buy signal. We can see a good support area, but there is no reversal, no rebound, there is no sign to buy right now. Let's go to daily chart. We go to daily chart, and you can see this shadow on the top part. The shadow on the top says that buyer is weak and people who sell are still strong. No one goes and buys Bitcoin. Due to which fact and why, I think you can find online, you can find some reasons, fundamental reasons, but I am only showing you the technical part, how I make my forecasts and why I do sell something, why I buy something. So for Bitcoin and daily chart, there is no buy signal. And this is the same that I told you a week ago and 2 weeks ago. That we have some correction levels on 4-hour chart, on 1-hour chart, but there is no strong buyer on daily chart. Okay, so what should we do right now? Let's go to 4-hour chart. Let's say that it's in a range. Since June 18, price is being in a range on 4-hour chart. Not really. Why? Because yes, well, generally it is in range, but the volatility is low, so I can't get signals on 4-hour chart. And I need to trade, so I need to get signals. I go on 1-hour chart, and I'm like, okay, this is also range from the same date, since June 18th, it's in a range. But why I like 1-hour chart a little bit more? Because I use RSI period 14. This blue line is RSI period 14, and it's showing me moments when price is oversold, and it can be a moment for us to buy this instrument, or it's near the resistance level, and this may become a moment to sell intraday. So when volatility goes up, you can see that price is going down, 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 and indicator RSI goes under the 30 level and above 70 level. So when here you can see price going down, after that you can see divergence. Divergence is the difference between minimum prices. As you can see here on the chart, price is going down, and minimum prices go lower. And on RSI period 14, you can see price going down. After that, next minimum is higher. So as far as RSI is near the 30 level, and you can see divergence, this is a moment for us to understand that price will go up right now. And you could see this volatility. So right now on 1 hour chart, we don't have signal to buy or to sell because the RSI is in between support and resistance. There is no buy or sell signal. We go to 30-minute chart. Maybe this will help us. It doesn't help either. So you can say that there is a moment to buy Bitcoin intraday when price goes under 30 level. It's moment to sell Bitcoin when price goes above 70 level. If you need something like 15-minute chart, you can see that volatility is really small and there is no signal. There is nothing that we can do. We can just guess and we can try, but there is no good trading signal. General tendency is still that price may go lower. This is the general tendency. But intraday, what we should wait for divergence and for oversold area, overbought area, so 30 and 70 area on RSI. I hope it will help you to trade. What you should wait for is like 30-minute chart or 1 hour chart and wait while RSI goes to support level or to resistance level. Now we go to Ethereum and let's open monthly chart. On monthly chart, good level of support is around 557. This is the 200 moving average. 557. But this is not something like they will go there 100%. No, it's not like that. What I can tell you that on monthly chart there is no buy signal for Ethereum. On weekly chart there is no buy signal for Ethereum. What I like about Ethereum on a weekly and daily chart, if you take this down tendency from 2021, this is the downgoing tendency from 2021, and this was like resistance, and now they break it, and this is the support area, like they test it as a support. That's what I like about it. But this is not 100% buying area, not 100% like, oh, you should buy for sure. No, it's not like that. So for monthly chart, for a weekly chart, there is no buy signal. And pay attention that on a weekly chart, the price went down the 200 moving average. So this is nothing for market, you see? The 200 moving average, nothing. They don't listen to this instrument. Let's check out the daily chart. On daily chart, pay attention again. This is the resistance. They break it and test it as a support, and they may test it even over here, like 670 area. Or go down to like 550 area. Yes, it's possible. And we can't use RSI because this is the downgoing tendency. This is not a range. RSI, we can use it only in a range. There is no range. But you can see the period from June 15, and you can say like, oh, this is the range. Let's try to go intraday and check if we can use it as a range. Let's take 4-hour chart. Okay, on 4-hour chart, you can say that this is like the resistance area, this is the support area, and on 4-hour chart, it's okay to go up and buy. If you believe it, if you're ready to risk with your money and to trade against the tendency, it's up to you, you can do it. But I don't like that the tendency is still not over. The downgoing tendency is still on. And every deal that you open against the tendency is a risk, big risk to lose money. So what you should do, what you can do is to work together with the tendency, and you can get sell signal for Ethereum when on 4-hour chart, on 1-hour chart, on 30-minute chart, when RSI goes to 70 area. And you can use it as a sell signal, but not as a buy signal, because general tendency on weekly, on daily chart, general tendency is still down tendency, downgoing tendency. So anything you trade intraday is better to trade with the general tendency. I hope it helps you to trade, guys, because like even today on Saturday and tomorrow on Sunday, Ethereum may go up even to like 1,120 area. Yes, it may go up. You can take a risk and try to sell, try to buy this instrument. You can take a risk. Why risk? Because this is deal against the general tendency. But it's better to trade with the tendency. So when price on the RSI goes to 70 area, you're okay to go down and buy. You also may use this tendency. It takes beginning on 30-minute chart, June 26. After that, June 28, you make this tendency. And if price will touch this level of resistance, this tendency, and RSI will be near 70 area, this is a good moment for you to go down and sell. So that's what we can use as a signal, as a moment to trade. If you say like they will break this support area and I will sell, yes, this is also possible. This is one more opportunity. That you should remember that price may go and test this tendency. General idea is still down-going tendency for Ethereum, for Bitcoin. I hope you do understand the importance of these levels, of these instruments, and of all tendencies, and you will earn money on this knowledge. Also, please watch my videos about the currencies, about metals and oil. I wish you profits, guys. Bye-bye.